guys, and welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag X unboxing. This one is the, I think it was August? Was it August I got Glam Bag X? I think so. But yeah, so we're gonna dive right in. Where's my paper? There's the paper. Underneath everything. Okay. So, the curator for this month, yeah, it was August, is Alicia Keys. So, Makeup Your Way, Alicia's stepping into her own beauty. Music for the Soul, she shares her ultimate feel-good playlist, and score an epic cash prize, plus even more from Alicia's GBX collab, blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. So, of the stuff we could have bought, or actually, let's read the note first. Empowered state of mind. Alicia Keys is rewriting the beauty rules. I can't wait for you to experience my Ipsy Glam Bag X collection. I curated these offerings to serve as a treat for your hair, skin, body, and most importantly, your soul. Soul care is changing the conversation of what it means to be beautiful and cultivating the vibe and the energy you want to stand in. It's in how we approach our everyday habits, creating space for ourselves, being kind to ourselves, uplifting ourselves, and changing the intention behind our actions and how we speak to ourselves. In this collection, I also wanted to shine a light on women and BIPOC-founded brands that I think are special. There are so many offerings to explore and play with, and I hope that you find something new to love and incorporate into your own beauty rituals. Ultimately, the only true beauty standard that matters is the one you create, so whether you decide that looks like a fresh face or a full wattage glam, you get to decide what makes you feel most like you. Remember, you are strong, capable, and unstoppable. Aw, I like that. I like that a lot, actually. Okay, so stuff we could get. I'm just glancing at it real quick. Ooh, see, they have one page that's like all from her skincare line of stuff you could have gotten. Very cool. Okay. So I'm gonna reach in and then try to find where it is in the newsletter for each of these, if they're there. The first one, thankfully, is like right in the front. And this is from the Organic Pharmacy, and it's the Honey and Jasmine Mask, which apparently retails for $74, which is crazy. Her tip is that I love that you only need 5 minutes to nourish your skin. Jam-packed with rich ingredients, this mask gives skin a drink of hydration while also helping to calm and reduce redness for a brighter, more radiant complexion. Very cool. So we've got that. Ooh, I see a Sunday Riley. You know how I love this. So where is that hiding in here? It's not on that page for that. Is it over here? Is it back here? Is it not here at all? It might not be. Okay, well, that one's not in here, but I got the Sunday Riley Clean Rinse Clarifying Scalp Serum with glycolic acid, salicylic acid, rose clay vitamins, and jasmine. And I can guarantee this is bougie and spendy and all that good stuff, even though we don't have the product info on it. I'm going to tilt this down a little so I can sit down, because trying to balance on my knees, like, we're hitting an age where that just ain't happening. Sorry, guys. But, anyway. An AHA/BHA infused rinse-off serum to clarify the scalp of product buildup, excess oil, dead skin, and pollution for a clearer, healthier looking scalp and refreshed hair. So it's got glycolic acid, salicylic acid, rose clay, vitamin F, zinc PCA, vitamin B complex, witch hazel, and jasmine essential oil. Honestly, I'm like super excited for this because this sounds like the exact kind of thing I need to probably have in my shower at all times. I don't know if I can afford to have this exact product in there at all times, but we'll see what we can do. So, as an if all else fails product, maybe. Ooh, so we have a, what is this? Let me find the product info. I know I spotted this in there somewhere. I think it was toward the back. So this is actually a Huda Beauty product. but it's with Wishful Skincare. So I think it's like a collab, but it is the Silk Balm Honey Kiss Lip Balm in Queen Bee. And this retails for $21 for this little thing. Yeah, 21 bucks for one lip gloss, guys. Her tip is turn any lipstick into a tinted balm with a coat of this non-sticky hydrator. This lippy has all the heavy-hitting hydrators you're used to seeing in a balm, but with a plumping, high-shine finish you love from a gloss. Which we all know how I feel about that, so frankly, sounds like a win for me. So, next up... Oh, I see a Briogeo something. Yes, we do! This is the Farewell Frizz Roscaro Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Oh, hell yes, I definitely need that, like, now, please. So this is $24, which is a bit of a relief to see a price tag that, if I fall in love with it, I can afford to buy it. So this says, you can even spray this over dry hair to help refresh curls or braids. Spritz this miracle mist on damp hair for all the hydrating and frizz-fighting benefits of a styling cream, but in a milky formula that won't weigh your hair down. Now, see, if I'd unboxed this yesterday, I could have used this when I got out of the shower this morning. Next time. We'll do it next time. But I'm actually really excited for that. That's 2 hair products. That, like, never happens. Anyway. Ooh, do I see a palette? I think I see a palette. We do see a palette. I think this was in the front. Yes. So this is by the brand Lawless. And this is the Baby One eyeshadow palette for $25. Let's see here. I love how you can get everything in one place. The balance of brown, rich rose, crimson, and plummy tones complements any skin tone and eye color to enhance your natural beauty. Let's see. Oh, how cute. The names of these colors are Little Doll, Baby Love, Honey Child, oh my god, I love that. Honey Child, Cherub, Cozy Bundle, Unconditional, Forever Mine, and Sweet Dreams. I'm already in love with Honey Child. Okay. So let me cover the mirror, but oh, these are pretty. And this is like perfect for this time of year, frankly, because we just entered fall. This is perfect. This is honestly perfect. Maybe that'll be the next palette that I review. Perhaps. I don't know. We'll have to see. So we've got that. But that little thing is 25 bucks, which is kind of crazy, but at the same time I also kind of see it. Especially because it's talc-free, which is perfect, given that the current one I'm working my way through testing and reviewing does have talc and makes me very nervous. So, anyway. Woo! Let's see. Do we have a thing in here for this one? I don't think so. We don't, but it's a little perfume sample of Juliet Has a Gun in Lily Fantasy, which, oh my god, those of you who know me know how I feel about that name, so I'm like, yes, please. Let's see here. I want to sniff. Ooh. Oh, I'm in love with that already. Oh my gosh, even without putting it on, I'm like, oh, new fave. Like, new fancy fave. Like, that's a special occasions fragrance, but oh my goodness, I am here for it. What's in here? Oh, this is from Alicia's brand, Keys Soul Care, and it's the Skin Transformation Cream. So it's a nice big size, and let's see what it has to say. So this is $32, apparently. It says, take a few deep breaths to let the calming scent work its magic. This face cream takes its transformation moniker seriously by using potent bakuchiol to help improve tone and texture. Yeah, but now I want to smell it. I'm going to open it from the bottom because I just already... Ooh, you welcome all circumstances as catalysts for change. Interesting. Oh, look at the shape of it. It's so cute. I want to smell. seeing as she was like advertising that as a selling point. There we go. Not entirely sure how I feel about the scent, but that's okay. So I was like, calming scent? For realsies? That's not much of a scent exactly, but okay. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but I was just like, is that even fragrance, or is that just the smell of the ingredients? Oh, I already know what this is. Did I really get another of this? I think I did. Oh my gosh. Good thing that I love this product and I don't mind having another full size of it, because I probably was going to buy it anyway. We have another glow recipe, Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. So that makes 3 sample sizes and 2 full sizes of it. I love it. But like I said, I'm not even mad because that's one that I probably was legit gonna end up buying, like, when I ran out anyway. For once. And then, I think we just have one more. What is this? I swear this looks like the old Avon font. Does it not? Does it not? And the way that they would, like, align their letters on the packaging, holy crap. Like, tell me I'm not the only one that sees it. So, okay, where was the product for that? That was... Color Wow Hair is the brand. And it's the Dream Coat Anti-Frizz Treatment. $28. This spray will lock in my blow dry for days once it's activated by heat. This game-changing humidity blocking technology helps completely stop frizz-causing moisture from entering your style, leaving your hair glossy for up to 4 shampoos. I highly doubt it, but if that works, sign me up, I'll buy it. Like, I will full-on buy it. If that actually works. I'm very skeptical, though, because I've seen so many different things claim that. And I'm like, you haven't met my hair. You have not met my hair. But I'll try it, like, straight up. Like, I'm willing to try anything. But that makes 1, 2, 3 different hair products in here. Like, Ipsy, are you trying to tell me something? Are you trying to tell me my hair sucks? I mean, I agree with you, but, like... could have been a little more subtle, but I mean, at the same time, I'm very glad to have all of these because they are all legit things I can most definitely use. But anyway, double checking under there. Yeah, alright, that was all of them. So anyway, that is it for this one, guys. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my eBay, my Reddits, everything and more is all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway, guys, till next time, see ya.